Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Apple Airpods like wireless earbuds from TWS, which are available on Amazon for less than $20. To all the Fitbit Versa users, you can even pair it to your Versa to listen music right from your watch without your phone. So let's get into it. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular tech review videos like this one, smartwatch videos, designing tutorials, and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. So here I am with the TWS i7 wireless earbuds, which I purchased from Amazon for less than $20. You will find the links to purchase it in the description of this video. Starting with the design, they look quite similar to Apple Airpods with the exception that they are a bit bulkier and the fact that they are not Apple Airpods. They came in a box like this one. Sorry guys, I don't have the box with me anymore, but they do come in few color options like rose gold, gray, white, which is what I have here. The box included a user manual, case for earbuds, pair of earbuds, and USB charging cable with micro USB adapter. Just so you guys know, you can get a charging adapter to charge each earbud separately from here, which was not included in the box, but you can get it from Amazon. But like me, most of you guys are not interested and you guys are just interested in the case. Now, speaking of the design and build quality in comparison to the Apple Airpods, the case feel very light, cheap, plasticky feeling. Seems like easy to break if it were to fall from significant height. So in short, it's not a durable case. FYI guys, I don't own Apple Airpods anymore, but I have used them for a while in the past. Now the earbuds are a bit bulkier, so if you have bigger ears, chances are they might slide out. But for me it doesn't, and they fit just about fine. So if you were to use it for an outdoor run or so, I would advise you to get wireless earbud clips like this one, which I have linked in the description down below. Both these earbuds have about 50 mAh battery, which for me goes about 2 hours maximum with continuous use. You can use each earbud separately if you have to. I really do not like the LED light over here, which is too bright in the dark, so it's annoying to use at night time while everyone is sleeping. The LED light has few patterns, like to turn on the buds, long press the button, and if the buds are not paired, the light will keep flashing red and blue. But in my case, since they are paired to my watch, so the light will be flashing blue, which for me is annoying at nighttime use. Wish I can turn it off, but apparently I can't. If you get a call, press once to answer and press again to end that call while you're on the call. If you don't want to answer a call for any reason, just long press for 1 second to decline the call. Now while listening to music, to change a track forward, press the button once, and to change a track backward, press the button twice. Just so you guys know, the buds are not magnetic like the Apple Airpods, but there is actually a charging pin at the bottom of the case where the buds actually clip on. Hope you can see it over here. So the buds can charge from the case itself. Speaking of the case has an 800 mAh battery, which can charge both the buds for multiple times for give or take few days, and it takes about an hour to charge the buds from the case. Now to charge the buds from the case, all you have to do is plug the bud in the case and press this button. A red LED light will glow on the buds, which means that the buds are charging, and on full charge the LED light will turn blue. Now if you want to charge the case, use a micro USB-C charger to charge it. Once plugged in, the LED light of the case will turn red, and upon full charge it will turn blue. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the case. One more thing, the lid of this case is also not magnetic, unlike the Apple Earbuds have a magnetic lid. However, I would say the click of this lid is pretty satisfying and easy to open with one hand. So that's it about all the technical aspect of the wireless earbuds. Now in terms of sound quality, to be frank, it's not that great. It reportedly uses Bluetooth 5.0, frequency is 20 Hz to 20 kHz with hi-fi stereo, impedance value is 32 ohm, and the range is about 15 meters. At the loudest volume and increased bass, the speaker do tend to tear out the sound, or I would say buzz a bit, but for an average individual they are just about fine. If you are a music enthusiast, then this will not satisfy you for sure. Let me give you a demo of the sound quality. And lastly, these are not waterproof or sweatproof, so if you drop them in water, just don't care to pick them up. So the question is, for less than $20, are these worth to give a try? And my answer is, for what it cost, it is definitely worth giving a try. But if you are into getting your daily driver for regular music, stay away from these fake AirPods. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.